Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. And special prayer for the mukti, liberation of Sri Swami Shashibhushananda, the great devotee who do tremendous Gyan Yajna, dissemination of knowledge all over India. He passed away with a smiling face. And presently, the Antyeshti Kriya is being performed in Ganges. Antyeshti Kriya is Shraddha ceremony, that last sacrament to enable the soul to attain enlightenment. My blessings to all those who are his near and dear ones. Their minds are dominated with the idea, how can we perform Antyeshti Kriya, which is the best way? How can we please the departed soul? And the best way to please the departed soul is to do all that the departed soul intended to do. Departed soul intended to bring spiritual knowledge to as many people as possible. Now keep up that Jnana Yajna objective and continue to do the things that he wanted to do. The projects he was involved in, continue to allow those projects to move on to greater success. Guru गुड़ ही रहे, चला चीनी हो गया. What he wanted to do it much more. But in order to do that, all those who are experiencing the pang of separation, first point, understand you are never separated. God is in your heart. And if God is there, you are united with all that exists. So why do you think you are separated? But put it more in a simple way, imagine God is holding your near and dear one in his loving arms. The soul of the departed soul, that's my prayer, may be enfolded with the boundless love of God. And that visualization should enter your heart. Each time you remember, and grief tries to invade your mind, turn your vision. That by grieving, you are not helping the soul. The soul passed with goodwill, and may you all be happy, and you feel miserable. So that way you are not serving the soul. And greatest happiness lies in your being devotee of God and following the path leading to liberation. By Godward movement, you have visited all pilgrimage centers. You have done all righteous deeds. You have pleased all your forefathers. You have attained the highest. Never forget that. That's the whole message. May you all receive the nectarine balm of divine grace, the healing balm. And may you all be inspired to follow the path of Godward movement and the blessing that your heart should radiate divine fragrance. Sarvabhuti hite rata. That which inspires all souls to be enlightened. And now prayer I'm offering for all of you. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushti vardhanam urvarukva bandhanan mrityor mukshyamamritat. Again, to remind you, the prayer is, may that Karunamaya Ras grace of God shower on all of you with the blessings of Shakti, strength to face challenges, Bhakti, not only strength, but sense of sweetness, love of God. When you go through various turmoils for your beloved one, the turmoils are not stressful. And finally, Mukti, united with God. Shakti, Bhakti, Mukti. Sahaj, Saras, Sanitya. May these blessings shower on all of you, all over the world, all souls. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushti vardhanam urvarukva bandhanan mrityor mukshyamamritat. Om sarve bhavantu sukhina sarve santu niramaya sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. ओम असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।